Hi everyone. Question. Did you get a new boiler this year, or are you shortly going to receive a nice new boiler change, or a heating system? Whether you're a homeowner or an installer, please watch this video all the way to the end, where I've got some hints and tips, and I've got all the information from the Fernox website, and there's links below in the comment section. And if you've got any questions, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Most of my time as a breakdown engineer, for years and years and years, decades, I was replacing plate-to-plate heat exchangers, flushing out systems, replacing pumps, because the installer wouldn't put an inhibitor in or a magnetic filter. And nothing's changed. Have a look on the Fernox website. Fernox F1 protector was often not used. Magnetic filters on return is now a requirement of every single installation. But you go back 10, 20, 30 years, it was recommended, but installers just couldn't be bothered. Before changing any boiler, especially a Combi, it's compulsory to do a full power flush and make sure that all the sludge and muck and rubbish is removed before fitting a nice new Combi or boiler. Good manufacturers, for example Intergas, Worcester Bosch and so on, will offer a 10 or more years warranty on that appliance. But if it hasn't been installed correctly to their specifications, they may and often will cancel your warranty. Whilst your boiler is under guarantee, a gas safe registered engineer or oil approved engineer has to do a safety test, but also check the water quality to make sure it's up to standard every single year without fail. Installers, when you arrive at a job, make sure that you look at the benchmark book and it's filled in correctly. Homeowners, you do exactly the same, because whilst it's under warranty, then you want to make sure everything is filled in and up to date. Please like and subscribe to our channel, because it helps us a great deal. Coming up shortly is this video all about plate-to-plate heat exchangers and what to do when it's all blocked up, all about chemicals and so on. So whether you're an installer or a homeowner, there's something there for you. We've got 8 apps, all to do with central heating for homeowners and installers, to make sure that your heating system is as efficient as possible. Our special offer of the 2 books makes a fantastic Christmas present for the one you love. You can order it today and it's sent first class, UK postcodes only.